in this problem, instead of having multiple resistors, we are going to have two batteries. So we have a battery like that and another battery which is like this. Okay, this battery is given to be 10 volts and this battery is 3 volts and the resistance is 3 ohms. And the question that's asked is, what is the current through the 3 ohms resistance in this direction that was given in the problem, right? So now the way we solve a problem like this, there are 2-3 ways, and I'm going to adopt a very simple technique which starts from what we already know, which is that I can choose any point to be zero potential. Is there already a point which is called zero here? No, right? So therefore I can choose this point to be zero. If I say this point is the zero, that means you know that this drop is 3 volts. If this is 0, that must be 3. So this point must be 3 volts. Because I chose this to be 0 volts. If this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, and therefore this must be 10. Right? Which means this point must be 3, that point must be 10. And if I say this point is 10 and this point is 3, the drop this way is 7 volts, because it's 10 minus 3, this point is 10, that point is 3. Which means the current must be, suppose I say that I have a resistance 3 ohms and I have this point is 10 and this point is, let's say, 3, right? So that means I'm going from a drop of, if I want to call it plus minus, I'm saying this is 7 volts. That means this current must be in this direction, 7 by 3, because if I say it's I, the drop will be I into R, and that must be equal to this difference, which is 7. So I must be equal to 7 by 3. Okay, but the problem is that I is in this direction, but they've asked us I in that direction. Therefore, this direction, the current is not actually 7 by 3, but minus 7 by 3. And so the answer to this question will be minus 7 by 3 amperes in this direction, right? In the direction that was given.